Hey guys, welcome to Costing Tips and Tricks with KSJ Teaching. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss out on the important tips that we share with you. And also do hit the like button on each and every video, and do not forget to share with all your friends who will get benefited from this video. Okay, so what is the tip, sir? I'm going to share two tips. One is going to be the examination tip, tip number one. Tip number one is that in the examination, always start with easiest question. Start with the easiest question. Sir, what is the reason of starting the paper with the easiest question? The reason is that it will be a confidence booster for you people. If you are going to start with the easiest question and you are able to attempt that in the right way, it will give you a lot of confidence, which will help in solving even the toughest of the questions in the examination. And if you start with one of the toughest questions which is there in the paper, and you find you are, in the first 15 minutes you are reading that question, and you decide to start with the toughest question, then what will happen? If you are not able to solve it, you are going to waste a lot of time in that. You will wait on that question, you will try multiple calculations, and you will waste a lot of time. What will happen after that? If you are going to waste a lot of time, that means you are getting less of time for the rest of the questions. Then there are high chances that you will commit the mistake in the rest of the questions also, even if you know the solution in the right way. Okay, so always start your paper with the question that you are confident about. One question you are confident about, that yes, this cost sheet question is pretty simple, I can attempt it, right? Start with that question. Okay, and one thing, be very careful is with your calculations, because this is one area I have seen people committing lots and lots of mistakes, that you are not doing the calculations in the right way. Okay, you are what is the reason behind that? The reason is the lack of practice while revising the subject. Okay, lack of written practice, not the oral practice. Lack of written practice is very a crucial area. Okay, so you have to focus on that to avoid any kind of mistakes in the examination. Okay, now I'm going to share with you tip number two. What is your tip number two? That is related to marginal costing, because marginal costing is one chapter which is very important from examination point of view. If you see the previous year papers or the mock test paper also, in every paper, almost every paper, you are getting a question on marginal costing, right? Mostly for 5 marks, but you can get it for 10 marks also. And I have been doing lots and lots of different types of questions of marginal costing in the all-rounder course, because we are doing from the RTP also, we are doing from the MTP also. So we are doing a lot of questions in the all-rounder course. That is the main benefit of that course, sir. You are doing a variety of questions, you are seeing the variety of questions, and you are getting to know how to deal with the variety of questions. That was the main purpose of that course. Okay, in the marginal costing, the same question can be solved by the different methods, right? The same solution, the same question can be done by different methods. Okay, one solution can be attained by different methods. Can be attained by different methods. I'll give you a very simple example. Sir, if you are required to calculate the break-even point in value, right? So there are two ways of calculating it. One is the fixed cost divided by contribution per unit multiplied by selling price per unit, right? Or you can easily write it as fixed cost divided by PV ratio, right? So in both the ways, the answer will be same. The answer will not vary. That is the main thing. You are applying any of the methods, the answer will remain same. Why the answer will remain same? Okay, the reason is that, what is PV ratio? PV ratio is contribution by selling price, right? So here you are writing selling price by contribution. This is equivalent to 1 divided by PV ratio, right? So fixed cost multiplied by 1 by PV ratio is fixed cost by PV ratio. The answer will remain same, because whichever method or whichever formula you apply, it is derived from the other one only, right? So the answer will remain same. Nothing to worry about it. If you are doing it by one method and the institute suggested give it by another method, nothing to worry about it till the point your answer is correct. Okay, so this was again an important tip. Why I shared this tip with you people, because I've been getting lots and lots of queries that sir, I did it by this method, institute has done it by a different method, but the answer is same. Will I get marks? Yes, you will get 100% marks, right? This is the beauty of this marginal costing, that you learn to play with the question. Okay, you learn to play with the question. That is the beauty of this chapter, right? So stay tuned guys for some more tips, and do not forget to share with all your friends. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you so much.